Okay guys, so there's a new update for the Thinkcar 689 BT. We're going to take a look at that. We're going to make sure that it doesn't take away the key programming. There's been people say that it has taken away the key programming. But first, let's just go through this real quick. So all these are saying the latest version. Over here to maintenance. All these are the latest version. We'll go back. There's our little pop-up showing that the new version is 1.10, and I'll just kind of scroll through. This brings back all the modules, and from what Thinkcar told me was that they was having I guess they had some bugs in a couple of these modules, and that's why they took them away in that one update, and then they've got the bugs fixed, and now they're bringing them back in this update. So we're going to install that in just a second, but first I just want to make sure that that's the update right there. All those are the latest versions. So I'm going to go ahead, move that down, we'll hit download. We're going to install this update, and then we're going to double check and make sure that the key programming is still there. And I should have showed you that before I updated it, but if it's gone, then obviously it's going to be gone. So let's see. Let's go back to update or upgrade. Let it reboot. Okay, all that is still showing to be the latest version. Maintenance, still showing to be the latest version. And there's the latest version is 1.10. So let's go to other, make sure that we're still looking good there. Now let's come on over here to maintenance. And I prefer this view better here, so we're going to go to it, and anti-theft, key matching, looks like it's still there. And it's not going to connect because I'm not connected to a car. But it did not take away the immobilizer or key theft option there. Now, whether or not they took some of the functionality away of individual cars, that's yet to be seen. Unless someone did a video before and after this update on a specific car, that's going to be hard to claim. But as far as having the immobilizer function still there, it's still there. So I'm not really seeing an issue at this point. Okay, so let's go over here to module. There's the module option. And there is all the modules, the TPMS. All the modules are back in their individual deal. And if you remember from my last video, we had 2 oscilloscopes. With the update that they pushed out, if you wanted these modules back, it actually listed two different oscilloscope options. Now they're down to just one oscilloscope, TPMS, video scope printer, and their battery tester. So everything looks like it's back. Anyway, you guys take care.